Yo, are you really still only putting your music on SoundCloud? I know, man, I got you. Let me tell you a way that you can get all your music on every streaming platform at an affordable price for cheap. Let's get to it. Mr. J, bring you another video. To be a part of the Tech Gang community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I post new videos, new music, new beats for any artist that needs them. I'm not gonna hold your time up. Let's get to it.
Man, my pockets are running low, man. Man, I wish I had some more money.
We've all been there, man. As a rapper, singer, artist, songwriter, man, like you gotta find ways to get your music out there, but you might not have the most money. So peep this. My solution to you is Distrokid. Distrokid. Yes, Distrokid. Distrokid? Distrokid is a real easy platform to use. For $19.99 a year, you can upload unlimited music, unlimited singles, unlimited albums. $19.99? Yes. Most platforms charge you $30, $40 per song. That $19.99 a year will get your music on Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Google Play. You get to get them on all of them. Wait, hold up. Hold your horses. With that $19.99 a year, they have other things that you can add on per song, per album. They have an option on there for $4.95 where it'll pick up and scan anything that's on YouTube with your music on and then pretty much catch it for royalties, all that stuff. So this is good for producers. Cause let's say you got a beat, you put a beat on YouTube because pretty much you gotta upload stuff on there to get known. Let's say somebody downloads your beat and then raps on it. Distrokid will detect everything on YouTube with your music on it and then you'll collect on it, you'll get paid. So pretty much your beat is protected even if they try to download it off of YouTube. Artists, you can check stats, you can check how many times it's been streamed, and then I ain't tell you how fast it takes for all this stuff to get on there too. You can literally upload a song on Distrokid and it'll be on iTunes, it'll be on Apple Music, it'll be on Tidal either the next day or the same day that you uploaded it. What? The same day? Another dope feature about Distrokid is, let's say you do a song with somebody. Let's say you do a song with a producer or another artist. You can literally put the percentage and split of the song on Distrokid and it'll divvy out the funds to everybody that was a part of that song. Everybody gets their split automatically.
They just made things easy.
One thing you gotta pay attention to is the Leave the Legacy button. For $29, that Leave a Legacy button will have your music on every streaming platform forever. And it's a one-time fee. I'm gonna go ahead and do something for you guys. I'm gonna put a link in my description so you'll get 7% off your very first year with Distrokid. You are already saving on top of the savings. What you waiting on, fam? Go ahead and go get this money on Distrokid so you can get your music out to everywhere. Once again, this is Architect Mr. J with another video. Thank you for tuning in, my fellow techers and my future techers. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know whenever I post new videos. Peace!